Good morning, yogis. Today for breathwork, let's start off in a seated pose. So if you're comfortable with Virasana, you're okay to sit on your heels, or if you need to sit on a block or a bolster or a pillow, go for it. Most important for breathwork today that you have the ability to do a very minor variation of cat-cow. Now, if you feel more comfortable laying down, that's also okay, but we use the movement of the body to open up the rib cage and allowing the space of the breath to really fill in. So we focus not on how many times we can breathe today, but what's the experience of breathing all the way full and then all the way empty. And if your rhythm is a little bit faster or slower than my pace, go with what feels right in your body. Have the intention not to have a technique necessarily, but utilize the technique to go with the intention of breathing full to empty. So let's begin. Take your hands to your thighs, sit up nice and tall, and it's just a very minor variation of cat-cow. Take a full breath in. Lift your chest, move your head back a little, really fill the belly, fill the chest, fill the throat. And then exhale, round your back. It's just a little bit, just enough that you can actually feel your abdominal muscles squeeze and all the breath go out. So let's repeat this. Full body inhale and exhale. Full, empty, full, empty, full, empty. Keep going. Make your movements even a little more subtle. It's just enough of cat, it's just enough of cow to access a little bit extra space for the breath to come in and to feel the rinsing out of the exhalations. Keep going. Keep breathing. Start to use your mantra if you haven't yet, a single word that you repeat with every inhalation. So if you're using the words full and flow, or you're using a single word, make sure you repeat it as you breathe. So when you're breathing in, maybe you're going full, 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 and then flow, 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 flow. Keep breathing. Let's unify. Exhale all the air from your lungs. Prepare to hold your breath. Gentle, full body inhale. Just allow the exhale to fall out and hold your breath at the bottom. As you hold your breath at the bottom, in your mind, keep repeating your mantra or switch it. Use the long sound Om. Because words you have to repeat. But if you use Om, you can just hold it indefinitely as you're holding your breath. So in your body, relax, hold the exhale all the way out. In your mind and in your ears, hear the sound Om as intensely or as soft as you need so that it starts to dissolve any thoughts that are stuck in your mind, and it helps to prevent any other thoughts from fully forming or rising. In the body, relax. In the ears, chant Om. Dissolve and burn away the thoughts that do not serve this moment. The more you relax, the easier it is to sustain the exhalation. Okay, full body inhale. At the top, hold your breath, same idea. Hold your breath in the physical body, relax. In the ears, chant Om. This time in the eyes, take your awareness to your third eye center. You don't actually physically look up to it, but you just imagine seeing the space here between the eyebrows. Picture a bright sphere of light just emanating. The body full of breath, the ears full of sound, and the eyes full of light. Now exhale all the air from your lungs. Okay, immediately let's begin second round. Fully in. Empty. Full. Empty. Keep going, keep breathing. This time, try using the sound Om. When you breathe fully in, silently Oming in your mind. When you breathe out, silently Oming through the exhale. If you feel comfortable with that, if you've done that before, try sustaining Om, whether you're breathing in or breathing out, so that you have this indefinite sound for as long as we're doing this active breath exercise. As you feel the breath coming in, as you move the body to help pump and bellow the breath in and out, in your mind, chant the Om, and then visualize light. With every inhalation, imagine you're collecting energy. You're collecting it into the center of the body. As you get to the top, see that energy burning bright within your body, and through the exhalation, send it out into the world around you. Keep breathing, Oming through the inhale. Visualize light charging into the center of the spine. Feel the breath. Let's unify. Exhale all the air from your lungs. Prepare to hold your breath. Gentle, fully in. Empty the breath and hold. Hold your breath at the bottom in the physical body. Retain the exhalation. Start to soften the face, the shoulders, the eyes, the jaw. Scan your body. Keep softening, keep letting go. In the ears, that resonant Om permeates through you. In the mind, visualize light, brightly glowing from the third eye center, emanating in all directions, as if you have the sun sitting within your mind's eye. Relax your body. Fill the inner ears with the sound Om. See the light in the third eye. Keep relaxing. When your mind shifts, it's okay. It's part of the practice. Draw it back. Back to relaxation. Back to the Om. Back to the light. Full body inhale. Hold it at the top. As you hold your breath at the top, see your entire body just full of energy, full of light. Imagine just like the sun. It radiates light in all directions. It radiates sound in all directions. But it's not forcing. The sun self-perpetuates. It has a balance in its strength and in its softness. Though it might be intense to us relative to itself, it's in harmony, allowing itself to sustain. Empty the breath all the way out. Okay, last round. Fully in. Empty. Full. Empty. Keep going. Have that technique in your mind, not to honor just technique itself, but change your technique, adapt it. Really try to fill every crevice, every little nook, every little space in your rib cage with breath. The lungs can expand all the way from the collarbones down to the lower ribs. So you move the body, you can add a little side to side movement as you're breathing, just to loosen up the sides of the spine, loosen up the places where the body might get stuck for the breath, and just allow the breath to go full to empty. Keep going, keep breathing. In the body, find the full breath. In the ears, chant Om. In the eyes, see light. Change it a little this time. As you visualize light, see it charging through the inhalation, see it glowing brighter and brighter. But when you exhale, it sustains the brightness, and that brightness just starts to expand in all directions. So every inhale, you're charging the breath, you're filling the body, charging that sound, feeling the light inside. And every exhale, it sustains, just expanding with that full extension of power. Use these last few breaths, really explore what's the full edge. Let's unify. Exhale all the air from your lungs. Gentle full body inhale. Prepare to hold. Empty the breath gently. Hold at the bottom. Holding your breath. Keep all the air out. Soften your physical body. Sustain Om in your mind's eye. Hear it within your ears. Now visualize pure light. See your body less as a physical thing, more as a body of light. See the outline of your body glowing. You could use white or a golden glow, or any other color that comes to mind. But see its brightness, its strength, its power. The more you relax, the more you allow the energy to flow through you, unobstructed, unblocked, letting light fill the space of your awareness. Full body inhale. Hold your breath at the top. As you hold your breath, visualize that light within the eyes. Hear the sound Om radiating in all directions. And then empty the breath. Okay, take a moment, just allow your breath to normalize and reflect on the experience. Maybe softly open your eyes. The breath has this power to kind of space out our mind, to let go of all the thoughts of the day. So before you start your day, make sure to reconnect what's the experience in the present time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. My name's Alex Artemiak, and this is Sachi. Please remember to take a moment. If you did like this video, subscribe, like, share, leave me a message in the comments below. Let me know what would you like to work on or what did you like about this video. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much.